line segment AB as of length 6 centimeters. So I will take my first point as A. Now I'm going to construct a line segment of 6 centimeter, and for that I'm going to keep my pointer on this point, that is on 0, and from this I'm going to extend it till 6 centimeter over here. Now I'm going to keep my pointer on this point A, and I'm going to cut one arc over here like this. So this is my arc, which is of 6 centimeter. So now I'm joining this line from point A towards this arc, and this point is my point B, which is of 6 centimeter. Now I want to construct a perpendicular bisector for this line AB, and as we all know, bisector means dividing a given line into two equal halves. So in order to draw a bisector, I am going to consider this point A as my center, and I am going to take a distance more than half of this line AB over here like this, and I'm going to cut one arc on top as well as on bottom, and with same distance I'm going to keep my compass over here at point B, and I'm going to cut this previously drawn arc like this. As you can see, we are getting 2 points on top and as well as at the bottom. So I'm going to draw one line passing through both these points. Now this point over here, I'm going to name it as M, and since we have drawn a perpendicular bisector, we can get AM to be 3 centimeter, that is half of 6, and BM as well as of 3 centimeter. So this is how we draw perpendicular bisector of given any line segment. Construct an angle of 60 degree. So first I will draw my base, say suppose of 6 centimeter. So this is my point O, this is my point A. Now I want to construct an angle of 60 degree from point O, and for that I am going to make use of this compass. I am going to keep my pointer on point O, and I am going to take some random distance, and I am going to cut one arc like this. As you can see, I have drawn one arc over here. Now without changing distance, I am going to keep my pointer on this point. So suppose this point, I am calling it as B. I am going to keep my pointer on this point B over here like this, and without changing the distance, I am again going to cut this arc. Now as you can see, I've got one more point over here. I'll mark this point as point C, and now I'm going to draw one line which is passing through this C from O like this. Now as you can see, I have constructed one angle, and this angle will be always of measure 60 degree. Now in order to draw angle of 120 degree, first we need to draw an angle of 60 degree over here. As you can see, I have already drawn one arc over here, which was previously drawn this much while constructing the angle of 60 degree. Now I have extended it till this much. Now I am going to keep the same distance and first draw the arc of 60 degree from this point, that is like this. Now if I draw one line passing through this point from O, I will get an angle of 60 degree, but I want to construct an angle of 120 degree. So now without changing this distance, I am going to keep my pointer on this point on the arc of 60 degree, and I am going to draw one more arc over here like this. Now as you can see, I have got one point over here. Now I am going to construct one line passing through this point from O, and that will be my angle of 120 degree. So now this is my angle of 120 degree. Construct an angle of 90 degree. So in order to construct an angle of 90 degree, first let us draw one base. Now this is my one arm. So suppose this point is O and this point is A. Now I want to construct an angle of 90 degree, and for that I am going to make use of this compass. I am going to take some random distance over here like this, and now I am going to cut one arc as we have drawn earlier for the angle of 60 degree and 120 degree. Basically we are drawing a semicircle from point O. As you can see, I have drawn one semicircle. Now I am going to extend this line with a dotted line from point O till this point. Now as you can see, I can get these two different points cutted by this arc. I'll mark this point like this. Now in order to draw an angle of 90 degree, now I'm little bit extending this my compass, and I'm keeping this compass over here at this point, and I'm going to cut one arc over here like this. And now without changing this distance, I'm going to keep my compass over here on this point, and now I'm going to cut this arc like this over here. As you can see, I can get a point over here of these two arcs. They are intersecting at this point. Now if I draw one line from point O passing through this point, intersecting points of these two arcs, I am going to get angle of 90 degree. Bisect an angle of measure 60 degree. So in order to bisect any given angle, we are going to perform the same procedure which we are going to use for this angle 60 degree. Bisection means basically we are dividing a given angle into two equal halves. So if we bisect this 60 degree, we are going to get an angle of 30 degree each. If we bisect an angle of 120 degree, we are going to get the angle of 60 degree. If we bisect the angle of 90 degree, we are going to get half of the 90 degree, that is 45 degree each. Now in order to bisect this angle of 60 degree, we are going to make use of this point over here and of the same point of the same arc over here. Now I'm going to make use of my compass. I'm going to little bit extend my distance. I'm going to keep this pointer on this point on first over here, and I'm going to draw one arc in front of this angle like this. Now without changing this distance, as you can see, this arc is connected over this point. So I'm going to keep my compass over here, and now I'm going to cut this arc like this over here. Now as you can see, we are getting one point of intersection of two arcs over here. Now if I draw a line passing through this intersection point from O, I'm going to get an angle of measure 30 degree. So this is my bisection of 60 degree, that is 30 degree. Now if I want to bisect an angle of 90 degree, I'm going to make use of this point and this point over here. So now if we want to bisect, I can keep my compass over here. I can draw one arc over here like this. Now I'm going to cut this arc from this point over here on top, not point of these 2 points of intersection, like this. That is the point of the main arc which is connected to both these arms. From that point I am cutting this arc. Now I am getting a point of intersection over here. So if I draw a line passing through this intersection point, I'm going to get an angle of 45 degrees. So this is my angle of 45 degree.